Amazon has an amazing feature that can completely change the way sellers run ads, and that is rule based bidding. If you are tired of manually adjusting bids and struggling to control your ACOS, this update gives you a smarter and more automated way to manage your campaigns. Today, I'll break down what rule based bidding is and how it works, and how you can use it to make your ads more profitable. One of the most important shifts that we have seen in 2025 is Amazon's move toward automation. Understanding rule based bidding is critical because it allows you to put bidding decisions on autopilot while still keeping control over your performance goals. Let's start with the basics. Rule based bidding is a new strategy inside Amazon's advertising console that lets you set automatic rules for how your bids should change depending on the performance metrics. Instead of constantly monitoring keywords and making manual adjustments, you define the rules and Amazon applies them for you. This saves time, reduces wasted ad spend, and helps campaigns stay aligned with your performance targets. Here's how it works. When you edit a campaign inside Campaign Manager, you can choose rule-based bidding as your bidding strategy. Then you set the conditions, apply the rules to adjust bids in real time while seeking to keep ROAS at a value you set. Let's say the 5 ROAS. Let me share my screen and see how you can access this feature in Amazon Campaign Manager and how you can set the rule based bids for your campaigns. All right, so here we are on the Seller Central homepage. You have to go to the advertising, then the campaign manager. Once you click on the campaign manager, Amazon will take you to this page. So as we have a condition for the rule based bidding that Amazon allows setting rule based bidding for the campaigns only the 10 days old. So we have to click on any of the campaign that is 10 days old. So let's say in this case I have clicked on this campaign. All right, let's so first see a few rules for the rule based bidding from Amazon. As you can see on this page that we have an eligibility criteria for using the rule based bidding, and that is the campaigns must run for at least 10 days prior to setting a rule, meet the minimum daily budget requirement of $10, received 10 conversions in the last 30 days, can use any type of targeting, automatic keyword or product. So these are the conditions that we need to meet for any of the campaigns to set a rule based bidding. And here's an example as well. You can also go through this from Amazon ads. You can just access this inside your campaign manager. So we are on the campaign page that we want to set the rule based bidding for. So you have to click on the campaign settings, and once you scroll down to the campaigns bidding strategy, you can see there are two types of bidding strategies. One is the other bidding strategies, and the first one is the rule based bidding. So as you can see, apply a rule to adjust bids in real time while seeking to keep ROAS at a value you set. So this based on totally on the ROAS, the value you set. We can set any of the desired ROAS value. Let's say my current ROAS value is 4 and I want to improve my ROAS to 5. So I just going to put 5 in here. I'm going to click on save, and that will create the rule for this campaign. And then comes the schedule rules. Schedule bid rules is a feature available for sponsored product campaigns that allows you to schedule bid increases for specific times of the day, days of the week, date ranges, or high traffic events like Black Friday or Prime Day. And this lets you take advantage of high impact time windows to help you drive more sales. The benefit of this system is that it reacts faster than you can manually. Instead of waiting a week to adjust a bid, the rule applies automatically once the condition is met. This means your campaigns are always optimized in real time with less wasted ad spend on underperforming keywords and more investment in what's actually working. You can set specific days of the week or odds of the day for your bid to go up by a certain percentage through schedule rules, and this helps you gain more visibility in the high traffic times of the week and also on a daily basis as well. Usually, we have seen weekends have relatively lower conversions than the normal days, but there's no option to lower the bid during the weekends. So, what you can do in this case, you can take a base bid, let's say $1, and let's say you want to bid around $1.50 in regular days and want to drop the bid on weekends. So set the 50% bid up for all the days and leave the weekends unchecked. This will automatically lower your bids from the regular days during the weekends. So here's how you can use the schedule rule for your campaigns. So I have to click on this add schedule rule again on this campaign bidding strategy section for your campaigns. And once I click on this add schedule rule, there you can see the date range can be of two types: the events and the custom. We usually doing prefer doing it for the custom time and date ranges, but also you can do it for the events like the Prime Day. Right now I have the Labor Day, so I'm going to go with the custom, and I have selected the start date. So what you can do is you can choose specific days of the week. So once you click on the weekly, let's say I'm gonna increase my bid by 50% for all the weekdays except the weekends, right? So I'm gonna bid around $1, and I have the 50% bid adjustment for all of the regular days of the week. So this is going to increase my bid to $1.5 during the weekdays, and leave the weekends to the base bid. So this will automatically lower my bid during the weekends, and in that way I can save my span to being wasted. And this strategy has helped us a lot in improving the ACOS, because we have seen a constant pattern across the accounts that we are managing at Upscale Valley, that we have seen the weekends are performing very low in terms of the conversion rate and ACOS. There are a few important things to keep in mind as well. First, rules apply only within the parameters you set. You still need to monitor your campaigns and make sure the rules are aligned with your goals. Secondly, don't overcomplicate your setup by adding too many conflicting rules. Keep it simple at first, test the impact and refine over time. And third, remember that rules are based on historical data, so give campaigns enough time to gather data before expecting the results. A mistake many sellers make is expecting rules to fix bad campaign structures. Rule based bidding works best when your campaigns are already well organized, with tight keyword targeting and clear goals. If your account is messy, the rules won't be as effective. Another mistake is setting rules too aggressively, like increasing bids too quickly before enough data is collected. This can bring in the high cost traffic to your campaigns, and it will definitely increase your cost, because the CPC would be too much higher because you are bidding too aggressively. So you need to make sure that you have enough data to use the rule based bidding for your campaigns. So here's how you can choose which time of the day you need to increase your bids. For that, we need to analyze our hourly campaign report. Let me share my screen and show you that how you can download this report and how to use this. All right, so here we are on the campaign manager. We have to go to the measurements and reporting, and we have to click on the sponsored ads reports. Once you click on this, you have to create a new report from here, and then go to the this drop down and click on the campaigns. We need to download the hourly report for using the data of the odds to analyze that which time of the days are converting well. So I am going to download my last 14 days hourly report for sponsored products. So once I click on run report, Amazon will take a few minutes to download this report. All right, so the report is downloaded. I have already downloaded one report. So once I download this, I need to open it up in the Excel or Google Sheet. So we have this sort of report from Amazon, as and you can see that we have a column for the start time for all of the campaigns. The best practice is to filter out it by the portfolio level or the campaigns, whichever structure you have maintained in your campaigns for your account. So I have simply applied a pivot table in this sheet, and I have the start time in the first column. So let me just quickly share that how I have applied this pivot table. So first of all, you have to apply a pivot table on the main sheet. You have to click on the insert, then you have to click on the pivot table. Once you click on the pivot table, this sort of interface will pop up. You have to set the rows to start time only, and you have to select the values like the impressions, clicks, spend, 7 day total orders, and 7 day total sales, right? So I have 5 columns in the values and one in the rows, right? So I have the data for all of the timestamps during the whole day. So this is for 1 a.m. to 3 up till 23, right? So I have simply applied a few formulas for the ACOS and conversion rates across different timestamps of the day. So as you can see, I have ACOS by the time of the day and conversion rate as well. So I have highlighted a few timestamps that we have the best ACOS and best conversion rates for. So as you can see, these specific times of the day, like the 8 p.m., 9, 11, and then the 1, 2, and 3. So these times of the days are converting well for my products, have the good ACOS. And as you can see that other timestamps have also have like pretty decent ACOS percentages, but these have very good ACOS percentages that are under my target. So I can consider these timestamps as my golden time for my campaigns to performing well. So I need more traffic during these hours. I need to increase my bids for more traffic, or maybe I need to increase my budget as well for these specific timestamps. So this is how I can simply download my hourly campaign report and analyze that what timestamps of the day are converting well, and where I need to increase my bids, where I need to increase my budget, right? All right, so to recap, rule based bidding is Amazon's way of giving advertisers more control through automation. You can set the rules, Amazon applies them, and your campaigns keep optimizing in real time. This helps you save time, reduce wasted ad spend, and scale high performing keywords faster. Another useful tool from Amazon is day parting, or you can call it budget rules. You can click on this link to see the detailed video on the day parting. All right, so we have discussed about the rule based bidding, that how it works and how you can use it for your benefit, for your automation purposes, how you can download the hourly report for the campaigns from the seller central, and how you can analyze this. So still, if you have any sort of questions regarding rule based bidding, you can drop down into the comment section. I'll help you out.